What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today is gonna be a good day, I can already tell. It is about 85 degrees, super hot out, super nice. I even got the AC on in the 08. We are on our way headed over to the shop. We're gonna go grab the 05. We're gonna wrap up those couple little things yesterday that I told you that we didn't really get a chance to do. Throw the wheel well liners in, adjust the air dog just a little bit up, tighten up the front bumper, and give her one last check over, and then we are gonna hit the road. Today we are gonna put some miles on that thing, take a couple quick trips, check on everything, and make sure everything is good to go. And then, like I said, see what she's all about, put some miles on it, make sure she's ready for a healthy dose of some beatings. So that's the plan for today. It is supposed to actually rain here in a couple hours, maybe even less, so I want to try and do this while it's nice out because, again, it is supposed to continue to rain all week long. So this is a perfect opportunity. We're going to try and wrap this up and then hit the road, guys. Alrighty, so after searching for hardware for quite a while, I couldn't find what we took out, but both of the wheel well liners are in. We are ready to go. Got that one side done. You can kind of see what it looks like with no battery. Just kind of looks a little plain, just hanging out there. What we're getting ready to do now, we got the rear liner out so we can access the back of our air dog here. Another great thing right there, that is the adjustment knob. All we have to do is fire this thing up, crack that adjustment knob, screw that thing in, get a little bit more pressure out of her. Like I said, these were turned down because we had 2 of them last year, so they had to be turned down to work in conjunction. Now that we have 1, we're gonna set that back to the 15 to 17 PSI that AirDog recommends, and then we are hitting the open road. Guys, this is it. We are about to hit the road. Got the lift pump pressure looking good. All right, so 2 very important things when you're doing something like this for the first time. Number 1, make sure your cell phone is on and charged. And number 2, make sure someone can come pick you up when something terribly goes wrong. That's not gonna happen today. Gotta make sure our air conditioning is all the way on. All right, AC is on. We're ready to go. We're just gonna let this thing warm up just a little bit, and we're gonna try and make it home. Alrighty guys, we just pulled in to the casa. Step 1, make it to the house. Should be complete. Boy, does it feel good to see this truck in the driveway again, let me tell you. All right, step 2, drive longer than 5 to 10 minutes. I'll tell you what, this thing, oh man. All right, let's keep driving. Alrighty, I got the windows rolled up. I'm gonna be sweating my butt off just so you guys can see. All right, so I'm gonna leave it on the boost gauge. I'm gonna show you guys how easy this thing comes up on boost. It's hard to see, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, that's like quarter throttle. Man. I'm in overdrive, I'm lugging it. We're gonna check on how much smoke this thing's putting out. It's like barely a haze. Barely a haze! Guys, I've been driving this thing around for probably the last hour or so. It is almost impossible to film and get the grin off of my face. I am so extremely happy. I love this truck. It kind of just makes all of the time and effort worth it. So many people to thank. I'm gonna put them at the end. If you guys want to know the companies that were involved in getting this great truck back up and running again, stay to the end, stay to the credits. I'm gonna put them all there. Fleece, Freedom, GAROFALO, Muldoon's, just so many different people. I'm gonna forget people, so I need time to think about it. But huge thank you to Fleece and Freedom for helping me out get this thing back together. It's quick, it's fast. I called John up from Freedom and asked him, how would you like me to break this thing in? Like, when can I go full ham, if you will? And he's like, 100 miles. I'm like, 100 miles? He's like, what are you gonna do? Just strap it right to the dyno? I'm like, yeah, that's Friday, it's coming up. Or Saturday, I'm sorry. Make sure, again, Dirty Diesel Saturday. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. It's supposed to be raining, so it might get pushed to Sunday, but make sure you follow me on Instagram. But I'm trying to get this thing, he said, put 100 miles on it. Don't go full crazy. Recheck the valves. Change the oil in it. So that's what we're going to do. I have about 35, 40-ish on it now. So within the next couple days, it's actually supposed to thunderstorm like any second now. It doesn't really look like it. I might even try and wash the truck quick, but overall, guys, I'm kind of speechless. I'm super pumped. I'm super happy. Days like these are the good ones that make it all worth it. I love the way this truck looks. It's so hard to tell on camera, but you can pick up the gold. You can pick up the gold in the wheel well right here. It's just, man, I know if black's not your thing, it might not be the best looking truck, but it does something for me every time I look at it. So we're gonna try and wash this thing quick, and I will catch back up with you guys. I'm trying to get it before the rain comes and then move it back over to the shop. Of course, just like I said, just got her rinsed off, and here come the storm clouds. They are coming. It'll probably be downpouring here in about 5 to 10 minutes. We might just run over to the shop and do the old quick 100 mile an hour down the highway dry. Well, guys, after all that, I'm not really sure how well my wash tactics ended up. I think it kind of ended up being just as dirty. I knocked some dust off, but that's about it. I'll probably still have to wash it again. Got water spots all over it, but man, oh man, am I happy, boys. She is back. She is back. It is not looking good. We need to go home, batten down the hatches. So, quick update. Got the 05 squeezed in over there. As you can see, I brought the dually over here. I was texting Mark, and he said, it's kind of hailing by me. So, yeah, needless to say, we couldn't jump in the dually fast enough and get it inside. It's a monsoon out there. It's not good. So we are back home in the garage to wrap up this video. Again, we are going to take it easy on the 05 for the time being, get that first 100 miles in, and then start laying into it. I don't think I really went over half throttle this entire time, but it's quick, it's responsive, it's like a light, it's right there exactly when you want it. It honestly feels every bit as peppy as my last engine setup. Feels super quick. It feels like it could roast the tires off at any second, which we fully intend on doing. Just gonna take the necessary precautions, get it broke in, get the ring set, and then start laying into it. I probably did about, like I said, about half throttle, maybe like 50 pounds of boost, but it is going to be fun. It's going to be fun. We have some P.O. Box stuff that is backing up, so I want to try and do 2 quick. I don't want to do them like every single video, but the P.O. Box is always down in the description if you want to send anything. There's this thing right here, and I'm not sure. It says Amazon fulfillment, so hopefully there's a note, but there's liquid. It's definitely liquid. All right, let's set this thing up. Let's see what we got in this first package. Come on, come on. Ooh, see a spray bottle. Here it is. Hey Greg, do me a favor and read the directions on the bottle and follow them on that brand new Cummins. You will thank me later. Congrats on your new family, Jeff Van Ness. I'll put his Instagram up on the screen. Thank you, Jeff. Oh boy, this looks like cleaning products. Oh, that's a scary thing with Greg. Greg and cleaning products is a very scary thing. Hydro Blue SiO2 coating, spray and rinse nano coating. So I believe this is probably like some form of ceramic coating. We will definitely have to, directions here. Vehicle is well maintained, meaning it was recently clayed and polished. The smoother the surface, the longer the Hydro Blue will last, 1 panel at a time. All right, so we're gonna have to do our research and make sure we don't mess this up. Greg, like I said, Greg in detailing is a very, meaning Greg doesn't do detailing a whole lot, but we're gonna make sure we take care of our new truck, that's for sure. All right, next one is Octavius Green, Butler, Georgia. Let's see here. It says do not fold, so I wanna make sure I don't mess this up. Oh, look at that, sticker. Certified Dirty Idle. I have to make sure we put that in the shop. Man, this thing is hard to get out. All right, well at least it's not a picture. I didn't rip a picture. All right. Hey Greg, I was browsing on eBay and found something that would look good on the first gen. I don't own a Cummins, but as long as it blows black smoke, I think we're all fans of the diesel trucks. I've been a subscriber for a while of the content. Look forward to seeing it every day. Sincerely, a Duramax lover. P.S. Could you give all the Duramax lovers a shout out? There you go, there's your shout out, Duramax lovers. It's not that I wouldn't ever own a Duramax, I just like the platform that I have now. I like the Cummins platform. If I had to get another truck, I'm not honestly sure what it would be, but I do like the Duramaxes too as well. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys are pumped for all of the 05 content that's gonna be coming. We're gonna get that thing on the dyno, hook that thing to the trailer. We're gonna show you guys what that Freedom Racing Stage 2 6.7 engine is all about and can do, and then we're gonna start cranking up the horsepower even more. So I'm actually can't talk. I'm actually not sure the tune-up that HPP had sent me for the truck. It's running, it feels strong. It feels really strong. I'm not sure how much injector they really put in that tune, seeing they knew it was kind of just like my break-in tune. I'm sure there's still quite a bit. It feels like there's quite a bit. I've driven a lot of things with quite a bit of horsepower, so that definitely feels pretty strong, but I'm not sure once we log our first run if there's probably still more to put in it as far as injector-wise goes, more fuel to to it. So we'll see. We'll have to see. But this is just the beginning, guys. Hang on tight. We have big plans coming for the first gen. Hopefully we're gonna get that thing torn apart here soon. I gotta go pick up a tool from Michael to get the tappets out and reinstall tappets. So we got stuff coming almost all the time here. So stay tuned, strap in, make sure you guys are subscribed. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you.